Welcome to ITTV. I'm Cesar Martin, your host. Today, we'll explore how Vocaloom can enhance your teaching strategies. Let's embark on this educational journey. Vocaloom is not just any word search game. It's a creative blend of vocabulary exploration and strategic thinking. Inspired by the success of games like Google and Scrabble, Vocaloom introduces novel elements to make language development a distinctive and enjoyable experience. Let's take a closer look at the materials that make up Vocaloom. The Vocaloom sheet serves as the central board for gameplay, featuring essential elements like the logo, mission statement, and numbered squares. Accompanying letter tiles and the Vocaloom point tracker add depth and interactivity to the gaming experience. Vocaloom offers several key features that elevate the gaming experience, from its dynamic point system to unique gameplay elements like special tiles and tiebreakers. Vocaloom ensures engaging and rewarding gameplay for all participants. Now, let's dive into how to play Vocaloom. The first step is setting up the game, which involves preparing the Vocaloom sheet and letter tiles, followed by pairing up players and setting a timer to begin the game. Once the game is set up, players can start finding words on the Vocaloom sheet by chaining letters vertically, horizontally, or diagonally. Players can form words and write them down on the Vocaloom point tracker following specific rules and guidelines. Finally, let's explore the scoring system in Vocaloom. When the timer ends, players stop writing and the scoring process begins. The first member writes down the words formed, while the second member scores them based on the point system, ensuring fairness and accuracy through collaborative double checking. In conclusion, Vocaloom provides a dynamic and engaging platform for vocabulary development while fostering teamwork and strategic thinking. Thank you for exploring Vocaloom with us.